In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add column in Card. If you want to place content side by side, like text next to an image or a features list next to a sign-up form, Card does this with a container set to columns. Start by opening card.so in your browser. On the homepage, choose Open Dashboard and sign in if needed. From your dashboard, select the site you want to edit to open the builder. Inside the editor, click the Add button, the plus icon in the left toolbar. Choose Container from the element picker. With the new container selected, its settings panel appears on the right. Find the type setting and open the dropdown. Switch it from the default to columns. Instantly, your container becomes a row that can hold multiple vertical stacks side by side, giving you a clean, flexible layout. Next, set how wide each column should be. You'll see percentage fields for each column. A balanced layout is often 50 and 50. If you want a text-heavy area next to a smaller image, try 70 and 30. Adjust the numbers until the preview looks right. Card updates in real time so you can fine-tune visually. On mobile, columns often stack vertically, so put your most important content in the first column to ensure it appears first when stacked. Need more than 2 columns? Click the Add button within the columns control to insert another column. 3 equal columns are roughly 33, 33, and 34%. Fewer, wider columns are generally easier to read and keep your design from feeling cramped. When your column structure looks good, click Done to apply the settings. Now you can place elements inside each column just like anywhere else on your page. Add headings, text, images, buttons, or forms, and drag items within a column to reorder them. If spacing feels tight, adjust the gap or padding in the container's settings to give your content some breathing room. Keep typography, colors, and spacing consistent across columns for a polished look. That's it, the columns are in, and your page is ready for side-by-side content. Tweak the percentages as your design evolves and preview on mobile to make sure everything reads smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Card.